This will be a tutorial on how to set up a Google Drive. Now, the reason why you would want to set up a cloud-based storage is that it will allow you to take pictures and videos on your cell phone and then access those pictures directly by FlexDisplay. First thing you want to do is set up the Google account. Now, as an aside, you can also use Dropbox. I pick Google because it gives you 15 gigs of free storage and Dropbox about 2. They are both good cloud-based storage programs you can use. But since the process is so similar, I'm just going to walk you through the Google process. First thing you want to do is set up a Google account. So you go to your computer and search on the word Google, and you want to find the create a new account link. Now I've shown you here what the link, after you hit the link, what the page looks like. Now, this is a free service, and but you do have to supply some information like your name and password, birthday, email, mobile phone, and others. And then you'll be asked to name your account, which will be now your username. You might have to go through a few trials because if somebody else has used that username, you have to pick another one. And it will tell you. Okay, after you set up your Google account, which I think is fairly straightforward, you want to download an app, a Google Drive app on your computer and on your cell phone. So for the computer, what you do is you search on the word Google Drive, and you'll hit this opening page here, and you'll see this little blue button called Download for PC. You want to click that, follow the instructions, and it will download Google Drive on your computer. And now Google Drive will be just like another folder that you can access with. I will show you more details on how to get to that folder. If you have an Android phone, you want to go to your Play Store icon, hit the icon, and then search on the phrase Google Drive and install the app. With the iPhone is very similar. You want to hit your Apple App Store, search on the phrase Google Drive, and then install that app. Okay, now the next step is to take your picture on your cell phone and share it, save it or share it to Google Drive. Let's start with an Android phone. So let's say first thing you have to do is open your camera app, take the picture, and then choose the picture on the bottom there. Hit the share icon. You see that little icon? It's a triangle-like icon. You want to hit that share icon. Hit the Google icon, and it's labeled Share to Drive. And then the last step is you just want to make sure your account is the right account, and then hit Save. And that's it. On an iPhone, it's very similar. You want to take your picture and then select that picture. So now I've selected the picture here, and there's a little icon there, and it's the upload icon. Okay, now there's a little complication here in that you might not be able to see that Google icon at first, and so you're going to have to turn on that icon if you don't see it. So you have to hit that More button. It looks like 3 dots. And then what you do is you turn on, you see with the slider, you turn the Google on, then hit Done. And now the Google icon will appear, and you want to then select or hit that icon. Once you hit that icon, all you have to do is now upload, and you will save that picture to Google Drive. Okay, Now you've loaded your picture onto Google Drive. The next step is just to access it from FlexDisplay, and let me show you how to do that. So let me pull up FlexDisplay. On your main menu, you want to hit Panel Content, and depending on whether you uploaded a picture or a video, so here you would add to library a picture or a video. So let's try add to library here on a picture, and then you want to find the Google Drive. There are different ways of doing it, but I'm going to hit desktop, and then since I'm Gregory Chow, I'm going to click that, and you should be able to see the Google Drive folder. Click that, and the picture that you took now will appear, and you now have to find that picture. And let's say I'll pick this one here. Open. Okay, and then that picture is now in your library. Let's see, here it is right here, and you can then use it, select it, do whatever you want. Okay, so to do a video is a very similar process, and this will allow you to immediately grab pictures or videos that you take right off your cell phone. Very handy and useful.